Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you convert any video into a slow motion video on iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So before making this video, I downloaded this video here, and you see it's in a normal duration. So for example, if I were to slow down these animations, I would love to make them slower. So this is just a sample video, not the best example, but if you want to slow the videos down smoothly, I'm going to show you just how to do it. So on iPhones, you could find many apps, but right now for this video I'm using VN Video Editor. I already downloaded it. It's available on the App Store, and I'm going to open this up, and there's this little ad. I'm gonna skip that. Okay, now on the bottom right you see this plus button. I'm gonna press on that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to projects and okay, let's just go back and press plus and press new project. Yep, that was what you were supposed to press, and then you can select this video here. Okay, it's giving me some tips which are not necessary. I'm gonna press cancel. Okay, now once I have this video down, what I can do is I can press on the speed.
This is what it's like to be known as
You
dead.
can see
Now
there
open up your eyes, you see the world that is red.
I can always add a keyframe wherever I
Now
want.
what's the word?
Here maybe, and I can make a smooth transition by dragging them down, and then I could keep a little bit. I can drag it smooth, nice and smooth, and then in the end it is going to get back to normal. Okay, you can slow these videos down, and then you can always export them, and I'm gonna do just that. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go for this. I press the forward button. On the top right you have this save button and the export button, so I can export it however I want, and the video will be exported according to my settings. You can turn SDR on or SDR off. It really depends upon you, and you can change the settings here, whether you want a resolution, what you want the resolution to be, what you want the FPS to be. So, and then you can press the export button, and then your video will be exported. So I hope this video was helpful and good. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.